Hi there, I'm Adrian and welcome to my YouTube tutorial series on solving a Rubik's Cube. In this first introduction video I want to cover two main points. Firstly, the different pieces in a Rubik's Cube, and secondly, the annotations that this video series will be using going forward. So first, let's talk about the different pieces in a Rubik's Cube. There's three types of pieces in a Rubik's Cube. There are center pieces, edge pieces, and corner pieces. So firstly, centerpieces. Centerpieces are the pieces that actually twist. So centerpiece can twist clockwise or anti-clockwise. Centerpieces actually never move in relation to other centerpieces. So this white centerpiece is never going to be any closer to this yellow centerpiece on the opposite side. Similarly, this white centerpiece is always going to be right next to this orange centerpiece, and no matter how much you twist the cube about, those distances are always going to stay the same. What actually happens when you twist the cube about is the edge pieces and the corner pieces which move about in relation to the centerpieces. So next we have these edge pieces. Edge pieces are two colors. Edge pieces can be flipped over, so this edge piece could be in the same position but with blue hair and white hair, and edge pieces can switch with other edge pieces, so this edge piece could swap with that edge piece or this edge piece. Edge pieces can never swap with corner pieces or with center pieces though. And lastly we have corner pieces. So it's an example of a corner piece. Corner pieces can be rotated, so this corner piece could be in the same position but with white hair, orange hair and blue hair. Corner pieces can be swapped with other corner pieces, so this corner piece could end up hair or hair, and corner pieces can never be swapped with edge pieces or center pieces, and vice versa. The cube has different layers, so this would be the top layer, this would be the middle layer or second layer, and then this would be the bottom layer or third layer. And I want to talk a bit about annotations that we're going to be using in this tutorial series. So when I'm going to do an algorithm, I will generally designate a face as the front face. So for example, I might say that this face is the front face for this algorithm, and then all other faces are relative this front face. So this white face would be the up face, this orange face would be the right face, this red face would be the left face, this yellow face would be the down face, and then this green face would be the back face. And what we do is we take the first letter of the face, and then if you see that letter written by itself, then what that means is it's a 90-degree turn clockwise as though you were looking at that face. So if you see F by itself, then that means it's a 90-degree turn of the front face, like that. If you see D by itself, then that means it's a 90-degree turn of the front face as though you're looking at it, like that. If you see B by itself, then that'd be a 90-degree turn of the back face as though you're looking at it, so like that. If you see a letter with an apostrophe after it, then that means it's a 90-degree turn anti-clockwise as though you're looking at the face. So F apostrophe is a 90-degree turn anti-clockwise, like that, and L apostrophe is a 90-degree turn anti-clockwise, like that. If you see a letter with the number 2 after it, then that means it's a 180-degree turn. So if you see F2, then that means it's a 180-degree turn. Obviously it doesn't matter if it's clockwise or anti-clockwise because it's the same thing. Okay, so that's it for the introductory video. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.